Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the game Morbid Metal on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The fix one is steps to fix sound problem in Morbid Metal game. So open Windows settings. On the left, click on System, then click on Sound and scroll down, and under Advanced Options, you will see More Sound Settings. Click on it. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. Go to the Spatial Sound tab, and from the drop down here select Off option. Hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones. Hit on Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Morbid Metal game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3, steps to fix sound problem or audio problem in Morbid Metal game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom and select More devices and filter settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Go to Services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on Apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4, set default sound device. So click on sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5, disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve sound or audio issues in the game Morbid Metal on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.